Hello everyone, welcome to ENA, Environmental News Analysis. In this session, we are going to talk about a very interesting news that has made headlines since the beginning of this year 2020. That is, ozone is healing. So let's go ahead and see what is ozone and how is it healing. What is the truth behind the healing of ozone on Earth's surface? So, National Aeronautics and Space Administration is the agency that is we know by the name of NASA that has Ozone Watch that you can go to its platform and see for yourself that what does it say. So basically, ozone is gas that is made up of 3 oxygen atoms. So basically, it is available in natural form in the format of trace elements in stratosphere, that is the upper atmosphere. Good ozone basically is protector of life on Earth because it holds UV radiation, right? Ultraviolet radiation. And bad ozone is the ozone that we produce, that human beings produce through vehicular exhaustion, gasoline vapors and other emissions. So what happens? The high concentrations of ozone are toxic to people and also to flora and fauna. So that is one important interesting phenomena about ozone. What else? The ozone layer is continuing to heal and has potential to fully recover according to a new study. This new study has been published in a journal called Nature, which is a scientific journal, and it heralds a rare success in the reversal of environmental damage and shows that orchestrated global action can make a difference. So the news is that the largest hole ever observed in ozone layer over the Arctic has closed. This is being said by Copernicus Atmospheric Monitoring Service. So let's see, the closing has nothing to do with the reduction in pollution caused by the lockdown situation during COVID-19 that is in the present situation. So anything that is spread in the terms of COVID-19 and its impact on the resurrection of the ozone layer, that's not true. Ozone layer has nothing to do with the current situation. So what else? Instead, it's down to the polar vortex, the high altitude currents that normally bring cold air to the polar regions. That is the main reason because of which we are seeing a situation where there is resurrection in the ozone layer. So it is healing not because of the COVID-19 lockdown, rather because of the atmospheric changes over a long period of time. So what is polar vortex? It is a low pressure area basically that leads to the circulation of a wide expanse of cold air that is parked in the polar region. So its movement, it's being strong and it's being less strong or loosening up leads to the changing in the jet streams as well and also in the concentration of ozone. So polar vortex phenomena is important and it's going to be one of the key aspects if we talk about the new methods in which we study the ozone. So remember polar vortex. Then what we see is this image. So 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So in the last 6 years, just look at the trend through this image that is published by the same organization that we said, NASA. Then Antara Banerjee, a visiting fellow at University of Colorado, who is also working at National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA), says that we found signs of climate changes in southern hemisphere, especially in air circulation patterns. So what does it mean? It means that the emissions of ozone depleting substances that were responsible for ozone hole creation, that is CFCs coming from refrigerants and spray cans, started to decline already around 2000 AD. That's about 20 years from now, thanks to Montreal Protocol. So another terminology comes here is Montreal Protocol. So go ahead and see what was there in Montreal Protocol. And you can also go to the website ozonewatch.gsfc.nasa.gov for the monitoring project that they are running. Now let's look at this false color composite showing Antarctic pole. The purple and blue colors are where there is a problem, that is the least ozone area. So you can see it for yourself. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Geoecologist, for further updates. And also you can visit my website, that is TheGeoecolologist.com, and you can follow me on Instagram, that is The Geoecologist. So stay safe, stay tuned, keep learning, keep calm. Thank you.